Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates iyudlala neteam ekuthiwa iFC Saints Lupopo. Le club le bafethu yale eTanzania not eTanzania per se but yase DRC. Yes, yase DRC le club le bafethu. So Orlando Pirates iyodlala ifirst leg yayo ye-second prelim game. Le game ke bafethu ngeke izisakazo bukhoma, ngeke izivezwe nje ku TV, ngeke izivezwe even ku YouTube. I've heard rumors abantu bethu ukuthi izovezwa ku YouTube. Le game ngeke izivezwe bafethu ku YouTube, ngeke izivezwe funa ku TV because awekho ama broadcasters ale eCongo awasivezela igame. So izobe ibalekile le game le, even though singeke sikwazi ukuyibona. Nayi mina i-lineup engayisethe mase ngithola ithuba abadlali engabafaka abangakwazi ukuthi baswinele le game le. Ngangitshela wona kuma comments ungayixeke yami, but ke wangitshela wena ngokwakho ukuthi ithini, ungibhalele lapha kuma comments. So ngiqale ePalini, ngizoqala nje ePalini. First and foremost ngiyazi ugoalkeeper kumele aqale, ngiyamazi ugoalkeeper wafethu Sipho Chain. So uzoqalisa yena uSipho Chain goalkeeper la kule game le. Mhlambe abanye bangayithatha kancane le team le, akusiyona team esingayithatha kancane even though i-record yabo ngekho lihle. So kumele siqalise nje i-first lineup strong ezokwazi ukuthi sithathe isibeke lapho sibe comfortable. Yabo i-first game siwine comfortable because mase siya ku second leg kumele sifike sesirelaxile ku second leg. First game kumele senze sure ukuthi sifielda abadlali aba-right abazokwazi ukuthi basitholele ama-goals amaningi. Masukuthi kuma center backs angifuna ukuloke ngiyalena le, angifuna futhi ukuloke ngishintsha i-system esebenzela. Kuthiwa into uma ingafile, uma into ingekho broken, don't try to fix it. Don't try to fix izinto ezingekho broken. Ayikho ke broken i-system esinayo currently ema center backs. So ma i-center back pairing yami ngizoqalisa bani, uMbokazi beNosiyema. The two have been playing very well. Abajele badlala kamnandi, so ngingaqalisa bona mase ukuthi ama white back ngawaqalisa bafethu uLebito, ngamqalisa as right wing back uMjida. He has been playing very well for Orlando Pirates, usathana kubuya nje naye, and uMjida uyabonakala ukuthi i-injury yakhe iyafiphala. So uMjida ngamqalisa lapha as right wing back. Mase ukuthi left wing bafethu ngaqalisa lo uMjida lo Deon Hotto for me. uMjida currently uMjida ngidlalela kangcono, yabo left wing back bafethu currently uyela uMjida khona, akekho omunye esingathembela kuyena just in case uma elimala. Yabo uyena nje ukhona. Yes ukhona uNdaba, usathana kufika lo uNdaba. Yabo uNdaba wakwazi phela ukumthemba ngaleyo ndlela, but yena ukhona uNdaba nawe uyakwazi ukudlala, but ke ku game kanje dingeka experience. uNdaba akanayo experience ye-Champions League, so Deon Hotto I opt for him. Iyona big four le vele sijwayele ukuyisebenzisa, iyona big four le ade agcina uconsider abajida mebeqalile. So ngingaqalisa bona, wena wangitshela ukuthi big four yakho ikanjani mase ukuthi siswini. Number 6 ubuyile uMakhehleni Makhawula. Maybe ngamqalisa second leg uma le game lesiwina amagoli amaningi, but ke le game le ngokwami iyamdinga uSihle Nduli eqalile. Sihle Nduli for me I will start uSihle Nduli as number 6 wale game le. Uma siyiwina kodwa next game singakwazi ukuthi sifake abantu Makhehleni Makhawula, but uma singakwazi ukuyiwina I think uSihle Nduli usa right lapha, because Makhehleni Makhawula usathana kubuya bafethu kulabo abangakakwazi Makhehleni Makhawula ubuyile, but ke ukubuya kwakhe akusho ukuthi uzovela abuye aphinda azoqala. No, ngiyaza abuye nje azongena, kumele alowe position yakhe, kumele afight. Yabo uzofight against umdlalo njengoSihle Nduli, it will be tough, but ke for me I'll put uSihle Nduli. Ngangitshela wona ama comments, would you put Makhehleni Makhawula? I don't know, but ke you can tell abadlali abazodlala phambili kwakhe amshow bese nikulindele lokho bafethu. Talente Mbatha with Sipho Mbule. Talente Mbatha noSipho Mbule they displayed ibhola elihle kakhulu kweBafana Bafana. Bayisizile Bafana Bafana okube bebengekho Bafana Bafana bengeke izidlale kahle, because currently sinenkinga, crisis ama midfielders alimele. So ukuba khona kwaSipho Mbule beno Talente Mbatha kusisize kakhulu. Yabo I'm not trying to ngingisingle out abadlali abadlale kahle kuBafana Bafana. I'm just saying yabo bayilethile impact, they gave us something kuBafana Bafana. So abajida for me ngiyabathemba kakhulu ukuthi baphinde badlale kahle nale club lesiyodlala nayo, basinikeze another 10 out of 10 performance. We need goals. We actually need goals. We need to play Champions League. So image le ibaluleke kakhulu for thina. So bajeda badlalela kamnandi, combination abanayo bobathathu nje, mase babheka bobathathu badlala kamnandi ibhola labo linayo isense, liyayenza isense. Currently iyona njini esebenzelayo le Orlando Pirates. Yebo mhlawumbe umoya ngasho ukuthi angamqalisa uNentajela ahead of uTalente Mbatha. That's okwakho lo ngangitshela ama-comments wena usingayiqalisa kanjani injini Orlando Pirates, but for me iyona njini le engayisetha ngokwami ukuthi siyodlala against le team le Limpopo. Mase uthi kuma wingers engawadlalisa abafethu ngiyambona ke lapha uSibelebele. I'll start uSibelebele as a right winger. The reason why I'm starting uSibelebele as a right winger, when you look at umdlalo njengoTshepo Moremi is a game changer for me. I wouldn't start him as a starter, because when you start him as a starter, ubani uzongena kushintshela game. There is no player currently ozongena kushintshela game. Yes, angaba khona uApolice, usunaPolice do ngamqalisa mina because akekho available lo mjidelo ubani, akekho available Mfukeng bafethu. He didn't travel with the team. I didn't see him travel on the team, so I don't think uzoba available. So I'll start usunaPolice as a left winger and put uSibelebele as a right winger and place uTshepo Moremi ebenchini angene as a super sub. Angene as a super sub, awusedela ama numbers bafethu, awusedela ama goal, awusedela something mesiya forward. Yabo iwona ke ama winger lawo engawasetha emuva back 4 Mbokasi, Siyema, Lebito and uDion Hotso. Base usi number 6 kububane kubulo mjidelo uNduli, uMbatha, mase kuba uMbuli. Right winger Sibelebele and usunaPolice. Ungangitshela wena ngokwakho, but ke for me this is how I would line up so far. Mase ngieda ke umdlali wokugcina ngci engizomeda ozodlala phambili. Controversial, I know, but ke ungangitshela ukuthi ubungadlalisa bafethu akekho umunye umdlalo bengamqalisa. Khona uMabasa, yes ukhona uMabasa, but you have to understand something about this guy bafethu usinikeza okukhulu. Yabo usinikeza okukhulu, yes angasinikeza amagoli, but uyasinikeza something. Let's create ama chances. We need chances. We need to score goals up front. When you have a player like Omahopa, that guy, he can give you everything. Akunikeza konke lokho. So I'll start uMahopa up front mina angedela ama numbers lapha phambili siyawadinga ama goals. Yabo ama goal abaluleke kakhulu kule game le. So I'll start uMahopa. So iyona ke lineup mina le engayisetha mase ngithole ithuba. Sebochain as a goalkeeper, Mbokazi and Siyema, Lebito, mase kuba uDion Hotso. Mase kuthi lapha eswini idlalise bani uNduli. Mathi ke abadlali abangangena for me babe ama sub. Ngamkhipha uSibelebele mhlambe second half, noma mhlambe ngikhiphe bani ngikhiphe uLebito, ngidrop uSibelebele adlale as a left wing back, I right wing back mase ngieda lapha phambili ngiede bani ngiede uMoremi. Mase suka la uSibelebele phambili ueda ama numbers. Yabo ngingasebenza kanjalo, but ke bona ungangitshela ama comments ngikhiphe futhi noma Hope uma engadlali kahle ngifaka uMabasa, ngikhiphe uMbatha uma engadlali kahle ngifaka uNentajela. Yabo there are many subs that I can make kwi game ekanje, but ke yona lineup nengayisetha. Ungangitshela wena ukuthi